Bienvenidos aquí al canal de S1000RR. Hopefully all you guys are doing fantastic. Hopefully all you guys had a great 4th of July. I kind of took it easy, kind of rested up. So we're here at my brand new location. No, not my new house. I'm renting out a room for now. But the owner of the house was gracious enough to allow me to keep the bike with me instead of putting her into storage. Some people are finicky like that, you know, and I get it. You know, your storage is your storage. You want to use up your space however you see fit. You know, their house, their rules, and I get that because me, as a previous homeowner, I know that. So I get it. I understand it. So we are here back with Luna. Today is the first time I ride her after the move. It's weird now that I'm looking at her, like that front cowl. I need to change out the rear one. The rear cowl, I need to change that out because I have that carbon fiber look, and then there's this black piece of plastic that just sticks out that says cheap, which is not cheap because if you guys know. So this bike has not been started since, golly, since I moved here. So yeah, we're about to do a cold start. Today is the first day in like 5 months that I haven't hit the gym. That exactly what I'm going to do now is going to go and hit the gym, because yeah, your boy needs to get back into the fitness aspect of things and get back into it. But as you guys can see, she's starting to blue out. So I'm gonna start trying to upload more content, a little more frequently. Yes, I still been uploading frequently, but like the videos are lacking now. And yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update as to what's going on with my life. My car sits outside now, which is okay. I mean, it's temporary until my new house is done. So we're working on that part. We're gonna go and hit up the gym. So let's do the cold start really quick. That brentune, baby, it works every single time. It sounds phenomenal. Like, I've heard this bike without the tuning after they changed out the headers and the exhaust, and it sounds nothing like this. Listen to how smooth that is. And that's a complete cold start, because this bike has not been started in like 2 weeks. So you're getting the full effect of a cold start. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, your boy has moved out of the house. House has been sold. What else can I tell you? Everything's in the works. I told myself that after I move, I needed to get myself back into the fitness because I'm lacking. I've been eating so much crap. It's not even funny. It's been a little bit crazy. Luna still looks amazing. She looks great. So I've been getting in touch with other YouTubers, the ones that are in the smaller platforms, like myself, trying to get an idea going. I want to link up with you guys. I've reached out to a few of you guys have reached out to me. People who are in other states, I want to give a shout out to other folks. So there's one subscriber that I talked to as of recently. If I can get his information real quick, he's on Instagram. He goes by KovertMecha, KVT.M. I'll throw his Instagram page up here and also his link down to the description. Give this man a huge shout out. Go and follow his channel, follow his Instagram. Great guy. His content is pretty cool, like car meetups, bike meetups. He does all kinds of random stuff, which is pretty cool. So I follow him, which is pretty dope, and him and I go back and forth with ideas. So make sure you guys give him a follow. He's been amazing and he's been pretty dope. Very cool cat. And let's get this going. All right, let's hop on this bike. Oh jeez, Florida heat on the ass, not so great. Oh man, I haven't been on her in a minute. This feels it puts a for all you guys who ride know that this definitely puts a smile on my face. I have to go slow, but this is the new neighborhood, ladies and gentlemen. This is the new neighborhood. We have a pool, so I might, after the gym, might hit up the pool, which I don't have swimming trunks, but we'll make it work. I'll jump in naked. That's okay. That's totally okay. There's the pool area. So do I need gas? Oh, she sure does need gas. Hello. When does she not need gas? I think in every single video that I've done, oh, this thing doesn't recognize me. It doesn't recognize. Okay. I hear when to hit the front. I wonder if there's a sensor somewhere. There is. I see it. Let's see if I can tap into the sensor. Oh man. Can somebody get behind me? Right here. Oh jeez, this thing is not gonna open. It doesn't recognize it. All right, let's try the other side, the other exit, because this is not working. I guess you guys get a little bit of a view of the you doing? Get a view of the new. Get a view of the new neighbor. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Like, I am so not focused. I don't think I've driven around here like during a day like this. It's pretty dope. Looks good. I don't understand why somebody would want to buy a house with one garage. I guess to each its own, but I don't know. And then you have, I guess, I don't know, to each its own. Everyone's different. I'm kind of low-key lost. Oh, okay, I know where I'm at. And yes, I am in shorts and a tank top. And I know I've always preaching to you guys to wear your gear, but I'm not going far, so. And I know I should say, you know, even wear your gear, even if you're not going far, but yeah, don't follow my lead. Wear your gear, ladies and gentlemen, wear your gear. Let's see if this one recognizes it. I don't think it will either. Oh, it did, yes. Okay, so I have to come out through this exit, which means I have to make a left. So the other exit is a little bit easier because I can make that right and go right into the traffic. Here I had to cut through. This is... Oh, this feels so nice! God, I missed you, Luna! Oh, I missed you. I've missed you so much, baby! Yes! Alright, the gym is that way. I should have gone in there, but I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's figure it out. I was supposed to go in there to fill up. I'm gonna fill it up. Okay. Oh man, I miss riding. Ooh, this is so nice. So, we're about to go gas up really quickly. That feels weird not being a homeowner. I have nowhere to go. Sir, you're past the line. Yes, pay for fuel. Yes, number 7. Pumped authorized. Let's go. Oh, which way should I go? I don't want to go around this guy like that. Let's go to my little gym here. I haven't been to Fitness CF, but it gets so packed over there that I'm like, nah, I'm good. So, oh, somebody parked right there. Should I park right next to them? This bike looks great. Woo, let's go. Park right next to this Gixxer. Let's go. Okay, Gixxer 1000. Too fast, too smooth. Is that you, buddy? I wonder. That's your bike, too fast, too smooth. I'm calling you out. I don't know. It doesn't have the too fast, too smooth. Plus, this is the gym. I don't think it'd be... Oh, it's got Brembo brakes. That does not come stock. That looks great. Dang. Okay. Okay. Well, you guys, I'll be headed back in a little bit. I'm going to go hit this gym up real quick and get my little cardio and weights lifting and all that stuff going. So, I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Be right back. Welcome back, mi familia. We are back here again. Alright, so I'm done with the gym. I stopped at Publix, where it's a pleasure to shop or some crap or other like that. So I have a small soup and a salad in my backpack. I am praying that the soup does not spill because that will burn the crap out of my back. So I don't know how many people have done that where you just commute on your bike, typically. Like if you don't have another vehicle. That's happened to me in the past where I've had a vehicle where my transmission went and my only other vehicle was my motorcycle, so I was commuting with that. So everything I would shove in my backpack. With that being said, that's what I'm doing right now. Going back to old roots, I guess. But yeah, workout was amazing. I didn't go super hard because it's been a long time since I've been, and I don't want to wake up extremely sore to the point where I can't move the next day, because I do want to come back tomorrow, continue this workout process. So yeah, you know what? I'm gonna make a right. I'll go right side. Yo, it is hot. I am ready to go back home. Like, this ride is great, but yeah, about this sun right now, it's like scorching. It's at scorching temperatures, because we are like in July. August is right around the corner, which is the hottest time of the month. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and cut the footage here. You guys, thank you again for being a part of the Sasso Moto family. Thank you again for being my support. And thank you guys for joining the channel and being here with me through this endeavors. You guys take care of each other. Peace.